Valparaiso University School of Law presents portions of its conference on law, poverty, and economic inequality.
Even if we have just a smidgen of impact on the lives of people, I believe that that's the reason that we are social justice advocates and lawyers. And more importantly, I think that law has become such an important vehicle for redressing social justice. The world of politics has changed substantially. We no longer talk about redistribution. We talk about rights. And the language of rights is essentially the language of law.
There has been recognition since the early access to justice reforms of the 70s that I mentioned earlier that the issues of socially disadvantaged people are not simply solved by ensuring a consistent minimum level of representation and advice. A multidisciplinary approach is required to give people with complex problems caused by homelessness, drug abuse, mental illness, disability, chronic illness, social or cultural isolation and discrimination to achieve that legal citizenship. And the courts and legal aid and community legal centres have in a sense become partners, and partners might seem an odd word, but collaborators at least, or partners in identifying and addressing some of the best ways to deal with the more complex cumulative social problems that present in our courts. And the phenomenon is worldwide, I think. Many people come into court having been charged with a criminal offence, of course, have many factors in their lives which are disadvantaging them dramatically, not just including unemployment, often including mental illness, psychological disability, other disability, homelessness, and so on. Like many now, our court is becoming one where there is increasingly an application of the principles of therapeutic jurisprudence and problem-solving jurisprudence to dealing with the matters at both the bail stage and the sentencing stage. So those two philosophical, theoretical strains now inform much of the work we do in the court. And we adopt those approaches because they actually complement an approach which is designed to maximise the prospects of reducing reoffending by not just punishing but by supporting those who go out the back door of the court. Where do they go when they leave? Often back into a revolving door.
For more information on Valparaiso Law, please visit valpo.edu/law.